'cause I'm just Ken. Hi, Barbie.
Hi Ken! Remember Ken, the plastic boyfriend from the perfect pink world of Barbie? Isn't a situation strikingly similar to our men? Just like him being locked in a plastic dollhouse, men of our society find themselves fighting with stereotypes every single day in isolation and competing to God knows what.
But I'm a man.
The same system that tells a woman to live life a certain way has been drowning these men into the pool of toxic masculinity every single day. This unrealistic expectation of scoring 100 on 100 in their sexual experiences with their partner has led us to call individuals with erectile and discharge issues as impotent and unmanly. So let's move towards an ideal Barbie world where not even you, not even our Ken, is reduced to a sexual stereotype.
So cool.